Hello my fellow YouTubers. Today, we're here to talk about a very serious topic. Something no one dares to speak of. So please, grab a seat because this is a roller coaster of emotions. So I was doing my math homework today and I had this like holy crap moment where I realized how much math and calculators have actually changed. Let me give you an example. Do you guys remember this bad boy where you only had to know how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide, and that was it? End of the story. That's what life revolved around. But no, then again, came this other bad boy with the graphs and the logarithms and the sine and the cosine and all this stuff that just crowds out my brain. I'm getting gray hairs from math. Oh. Now, please, I am not trying to bash on math because I, myself, was a math lover back in the day. Back in my high school days. Again, that all changed. When I got into Algebra 1, I got this really nasty teacher who every time I had a question, I would be like, "Oh, mister, would you please help me on this question? I no comprende." And he'd be like, "Michi, come on, it's simple stuff. Here is my teacher's book. Just look at the answers and you'll get it." And then I'll be like, "Oh." Moral of the story, what did I learn from that class? Probably to cheat. I mean, it probably didn't really help that I sat by my crush and be like, "Are you talking to me?" Sure, I'll help you. Yeah, I was pretty dumb back then. Oh well. Well, now I'm sitting here in my pre-calc math in college and I'm looking at these questions, wondering who the hell came up with them. Because he seriously needs to be hunted down, tied up, and tortured. Like, I don't know, grab a math book, open it up, and like rip all the pages in front of him. I bet that would be the best way to torture a math teacher, don't you think? Well, anywho, I'm reading this question, and it went something like this. What is the probability that an alien with purple sunglasses standing at a train station has a cat times logarithm of x squared over pi to the negative second power raised to the cherry? This is my face after I read that paragraph, problem, whatever. So why the hell are they teaching us all this nonsense? I mean, I would probably understand if you were like an architect or engineer or something fancy like that. But I mean, in the everyday life, it should be enough to just know 2 plus 2 and 1 times 2 and 5 minus 10. That's it. You don't need to know any of the logarithms. Why would you want to know that the graph of x squared is actually a parabola? Or y equals x is just a freaking line? You're not gonna ever use this. What, are you gonna be like, "Oh look honey, I see a rainbow that's shaped like a parabola. It probably equals x squared," or something like that? Why is math so difficult if the everyday today life does not require it? Now in our generations, we're pretty much taught to rely on electronics, whether it's a calculator or a phone. You have all these possibilities that can help you out. But why? Why should we only rely on these things? What do you learn from that? You don't learn shit. That's what you learn. You learn to be a lazy ass, kind of a cheater, and some other third thing. But that's not what life is about. Why are they not teaching us to use our brain? I mean, that's why we have some, you know, gooey pink, squishy substance formed into a little ball about that big. Seriously, our generations are growing up to be dumb and dumber. Not like the movie, but you know, you get the point. I say, take away these guys and let them use this guy. It'll get them somewhere in life. So let me know about your math life. Do you like math? Do you like the idea of math? Do you enjoy doing math? Do you use math in your everyday to-day life? Tell me how math revolves in your world of business, family type stuff. Let me know down below what you think about math. If you like it, if you don't like it, if you hate it, if you're mutual, whatever. Tell me your feelings about it. Let me know anything that concerns you, anything that troubles you. That's all. That's all for today, folks. See you next time.